mina igama ngokuqoshaba kancane uZulumanzi inyama kayishesha ngababhebhezeli. Ngumbhali ngiphinde futhi ngibe umdidiyeli wefilimu i-Tales of Zulu Folk Dancer, igidangoma esiyenze neSibani Media Productions, i-Embo Films kanye neNanchenga Films. Siwenze lo msebenzi without nothing but we took it and sawenza kwayinto ephathekayo. So kuba khona kwethu namhlanje kuma-Simon Mabhunu Sabela Awards kube yintokozo kakhulu ukuthi bayasibona, bayasirecognize, and also they do see potential kule nto esesiyiqalile. Nakhona ukuyiqala kwethu azange siqale kwathula. I was the first African filmmaker to take ingoma siyise esinema, which was your Stick in Echo. So kuyintobeko nje kakhulu ukuthi whether siyayithatha indondo ngomhlaka 19 July or asiyithathi, but ngijabulela nje futhi ukuthi ngibungaze namanye ama-filmmakers akhona namhlanje. Yeah, so asikuyekele uNkulunkulu. It's very first time engathanda ukumbonga futhi kakhulu ngagqugquzela umfethu wangasekhaya ekuthiwa uBonawa kaSulu. Wayefikile kwi-screening egidangoma sisesitekhile eGowenini wathi mina Mancwane ngicela ukuthi lo msebenzi lo owenzile sicela ukubona next day kuma-Simon Mabhunu Sabela Awards, and we did that and here we are namhlanje. So if it wasn't for him then angaba sikhona namhlanje. So that's why
this is my first nomination ever, so I'm truly humbled. I won't lie, and I'm forever grateful. One thing I can say, Andy Mtambo is there, is my brother. We're doing Uzalo Sobabili. For me, as it is now, it's a win for me. I won't lie. So either way, Shumatum for it to take it, I take it. It will be Sekai. Kwathi lo msebenzi unabanikazi ngicabanga ukuthi yonke into inesikhathi sayo, so kusengenzeka noma yini, kodwa nginaso isifiso sokuthi kuye mhlambe kube khona uhlobo umculo engikudedelayo, kodwa-ke bengisafuna nje ukunikeza i-craft yokulingisa inhlonipho, ngikwazi futhi nokuthi nginike isikhathi sokuthi ngiyifundisise kahle inora ngokuthi ngizoyi-respecta njengalaba abayile esikoleni, yabo.
Bafethu igama lami kuSipho uhlangana uThuli uMadlandulu uzobaza ukudambela umshibe kanti lapho mashobata nomavele komena abantu bevele bantini baniyaduma khona maningi njengoba nibona bafethu ukuthi ke simenyiwe sibahle sigqoka amasuti sinuka kahle, have been nominated for the best newcomer in Wesley South African Christmas BET Octave Productions. Out here at the 2025 Simon Mabhunu Sabela KZN Film and Television Awards. I'm super excited ngijabuleka nendlela eyisimanga. Kumnandi bafethu. Ngangazi ukuthi ke ukusuka kwami eDubane from the uNkulunkulu uzongibeka emazweni bafethu. Since it's been 2 years manje ngifike ngo 2025 manje ne. Ngifike ngo 2023 kuzalo. Hayi ever since then ke bafethu intwana iyahlupha. To be very honest, management ayizange izingitshele ukuthi si-invite for which category, but bengazi ukuthi it's between the two, honestly, because as umuntu ongakabi mdala kakhulu kwi-industry, I was expecting from Uzalo, but ngabuye ngacala ngathi hayi manje kwadlala kule nto ka-BET akwazi ukuthi kungangenzeka ukuthi ithole khona, kodwa-ke bese ngilindele noma yini.
I'm Sibusiso Gumbi, the interim CEO for KwaZulu-Natal Tourism and Film Authority. Today we had a special event where we were officially announcing the nominees for the Simon Mabhunu Awards that will be held next month on the 19th. We were so happy to get a report that is indicating the total number of entrants that we had, which led in fact to the nominations that were announced under 24 categories. So for us that is really pleasing, because the intention of these awards is to appreciate the talent and also celebrate the talent that we have within the creative industry in our province of KwaZulu-Natal.